You're not going to believe what AI can do now. Let me show you something crazy. This is Seedance 2.0 and it finally works. Hey guys, what is up? Seedance 2 is finally out and it's released for everybody. This is finally the moment of time we've been waiting for. So in this video, we're going to use KIE AI. I've used this service in the past. They're really good. It's a Chinese model aggregator. They have access to Seedance and it's really cool because there's very few limits on the model, unlike what other people were experiencing just a few days ago. So they have the web interface here, the playground. You can generate content just on your browser right here, or you can use their API, meaning you can hook this up to N8N or whatever software that you're using to generate this content. There's pretty much no restrictions for what I've seen, and there's so many more options, I think, when it comes to Seedance versus platforms like VO3. So for example, you can have a first frame, you can have a last frame, you can put your prompt, which is probably the most important. Then you can have reference images to people, products, whatever you want. You can even do a reference video. And then a really cool part is the reference audio. I'll show you how that works. I gave it 15 seconds of my voice and it replicated it extremely well for the video. This is a control that you cannot do in VO3, so that's pretty cool. Your resolution options are 720 or 480. I recommend going on 720. The prices change a little bit based on what you do. And then you have your aspect ratio. So you can do a story or you can do vertical, whatever you want. And then scrolling up right here, this is what the pricing is on KIE AI. They're extremely competitive when it comes to all the models. And as you can see, the pricing is around 10 to 20 cents per second of video. They also have the fast version, which is a little bit cheaper. And as I forgot to mention right here, you can change the duration from anything from 4 seconds to 15 seconds. So being able to do 15 seconds and use your audio is definitely a game changer. And through KIE AI, it looks like they've been working ever since they launched with the status right here. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes to do a generation, so not bad, a little bit slower than VO, but incredibly fast compared to how people were accessing it in the past. So I'll just show you kind of a setup on how you do it. So here I didn't give it any frames. I gave it this prompt, which included dialogue of what I was supposed to say. Then I gave it this product, a completely random product I found on the internet, a face moisturizer. I gave it an image of me sitting down that I had on my computer, and then no reference video, but I did give it a 12-second audio, just literally 12 seconds from my previous YouTube video of me talking just like I am now. And then I did 720, and then I chose the aspect ratio, and then I chose to do 15 seconds. And now I'm gonna start showing you the results. So keep in mind, this model can do all sorts of styles. It can do real people, it can do anime, it can do cartoons, it can do whatever you want. So first, I'm just gonna be playing an anime test that I just had Claude make me, and we'll be reviewing it.
One more fight. That is all I need.
So it's pretty cool. The sword motion was a little bit wacky, but as you can see, it's a very good model for anime. Okay, and now the second version. This one I gave it an image of me and I gave it my voice. And this is the non-upscaled version. So this is the version you get directly from Seedance. And you may have seen it at the beginning of the video, but it's pretty impressive. You're not going to believe what AI can do now. Let me show you something crazy. This is Seedance 2.0 and it finally works. So there are other models that allow characters to talk like that. The best part about Seedance is there's a lot of variability of what happens in the background. You can describe so much more than just someone sitting down, but I just did this mostly as a test to show how good the audio is. I think it did a really good job in my voice, honestly, potentially better than 11 Labs when I gave it 30 minutes of me talking. So here's the upscaled version. The one thing I will say about Seedance is when you look at it in the little small windows, it looks so good. But when you blow it up to full screen, 720 doesn't look that great, honestly. So I do recommend upscaling. That being said, when you do upscale, you can see you get a little bit of like a very glossy face and stuff like this. So if you want to see this video, just go back to the beginning. It's a lot more smooth. I really like the FPS. I just used the Magnific upscaler on FreePick. It does use a lot of credits. It makes the video very smooth and upscaled. Like I said, my face becomes a little bit more plasticky and stuff like that, but it's a good solution that you can do after you generate on Seedance. All right, now this is another demo I did. This is the one that I explained how the setup was earlier, so I'm just gonna be playing it. Bro, this stuff changed my skin in 2 weeks. I am not even joking right now. Feel how smooth that is. Break late. I might made a day saying this is that right now. So as you can see, if you don't time it up perfectly with the dialogue and stuff like that, or just in general, sometimes they can say gobbledygook when they're talking, but as you can see, majority of it had a really good version of my voice, and the motions and body movements I think were really good. And then here I just have another random clip that I had to generate of a coffee. And then here's an example of a woman that was generated with the model, so I didn't give it any person to reference. It's just a basic video shot. You can see the emotion is pretty good. And then lastly, I wanted to do one more test. I'm going to show you what VO3 looks like when it's animating my content that I do for my Instagram page.
My fast digesting carbs fill your muscles with fuel right when you need it. I'm a banana.
So that's the model that was generated on VO, and this is the Seedance model.
I'm a banana. Eat me 30 minutes before you work out. My fast digesting carbs fill your muscles with fuel right when you need it. Eat me late at night and all that sugar has nowhere to go. I'm pre-workout fuel, not a midnight snack. Time me right and I'm the best thing you eat all day.
So the really good part about Seedance is this will allow me to do videos that are 15 seconds, which oftentimes I need more time to explain the concept. And if you're new to the channel, I've generated thousands and thousands of VO3 videos, so I'm really doing it as a test to see if that's what I can replace. I run the Instagram at Lifehack, where I've gotten millions of followers in the last few months. Just yesterday, I hit an 8.8 million view video. And if you want to learn my templates, how I automate everything, then make sure to check out my school community. I highly recommend you join for the yearly rate, but that's all I'm going to say in this video. Hopefully the biggest part is I will have that link to KIE AI, where you can finally access Seedance. And I didn't probably mention this before, but you can load it up with as simple as $10 or maybe even less. The cool part about this is you don't have to do any subscription or commit to any of that. And I honestly don't really recommend that you do, given how quickly the models are changing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.